The Intelligent Forward Collision Warning System, or IFCW, can help alert the driver when there is a sudden braking of a second vehicle traveling in front of the vehicle directly ahead in the same lane. The system uses a sensor located behind the lower grille of the front bumper. If there is a potential risk of a forward collision, the system warns the driver by blinking the vehicle ahead detection indicator and sounding an audible alert. The system operates at speeds above approximately 3 miles per hour. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the setting button on the control panel. Touch the driver assistance key. Touch the emergency assist key. Touch the forward emergency braking key to toggle the system on or off. When the forward emergency braking system is turned off, the warning light illuminates. If the radar sensor picks up interference from another radar source, making it impossible to detect a vehicle ahead, the automatic emergency braking and intelligent forward collision warning systems will automatically turn off and this warning light will illuminate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.